Yo, what's good people? Welcome to the first video of the new year. Now today's video is going to be about ring dips and what variations you can use to build up strength and size. Now dips is one of the most common exercises to do in training, whether it's calisthenics or weight training, as it's very good to build up your chest, shoulders and your triceps. But in this video we're going to focus mainly on ring dips, with the variations ranging between easiest to hardest. Now with that being said, let's get into the video guys. Alright, so the first exercise of course is ring dips. Now dips in calisthenics is a staple exercise, so you have to make sure you get your ring dips down on point. Now a good tip is to make sure you grip the rings tight as you can, because the rings, as you should know, are very unstable, so having a tight grip is very important. And if you struggle to do regular ring dips, I want you to do assisted ring dips. So what you're going to do is you're going to lower the rings towards your hips and you're going to use your feet to support you. So you're going to place your feet on the ground and do ring dips that way. And always make sure you turn the rings out on the top, at the top as well. So that's going to help you engage more of your biceps. And to make it harder, as a progression, you want to use a bench or something to put your legs on. So the less support that you have with the ground, the harder it's going to be. Alright, so up next we got Bulgarian dips. Now this is very similar to regular dips, but as you're coming down, you're going to spread your arms out wide in a bit Bulgarian kind of stance, if you know what I mean, like how you do Bulgarian split squats. But for this, it's your arms that you're going to be spreading out Bulgarian style. So that's going to work a lot more of your side delts. It's a very good exercise to build those up. Alright, up next we got weighted dips. Now as I've said before in my previous videos, weighted calisthenics is one of the best ways to build up size and strength. It's the best way for me to progress with calisthenics. So again, weighted dips is the way to go. And it's also one of the best ways to progress without actually changing the variations as well. And you can do the same weighted exercise for the Bulgarian dips as well. Again, just adding weights just like to the regular dips, but you're going to do the same thing now with the Bulgarian dips. Alright, last but not least, we have archer dips. Now this variation of the dips is very difficult. It's a very advanced calisthenics exercise, so please be aware while you're doing this exercise as well, because it can put a lot of strain and stress on your shoulders. So to do this exercise, what you're going to do is when you're at the top, you're going to come down to one side or one arm while the second arm is out straight, and then you're going to press yourself back up. So again, it's very difficult. It will put a lot of strain on your shoulders, so just please be aware at the same time when you're doing this exercise. So there you have it. That's the ring dips variations, with all different variations from easiest to hardest. Add that into your routines and you watch your gains go through the roof, trust me. Now if you want to learn how to do the ring bicep curl, watch this video right here and I'll teach you how to go through that. Now thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one guys. I'm out.